If you're still looking to clean up your charts a bit because the object tree wasn't your cup of tea, then maybe TradingView layouts are the answer for you. Hi everyone, I'm Jenks, this is the Trading Floor, and welcome to another episode of Back to Basics. Today's episode is going to be a quick tip on how to utilize these layouts to save markups so you can access them later on for reference or convenience. Think of TradingView layouts like individual workspaces for when you're charting. Every time you create a new layout or copy an existing one, you create a new workspace. Layouts save every asset that you work on while on the layout, so you don't need to necessarily have a different layout for each ticker you trade outside of convenience. I like to have charts open for the two assets I trade at the same time in different browser windows, so one way I utilize templates is having a template for each, then saving both as separate bookmarks in my browser. This is also handy if you use some indicators to trade on one asset and other indicators to trade on another. For example, when trading NASDAQ futures, maybe you use Fibonacci-based pivot points, but while trading the Euro-US dollar cross, you use a set of exponential moving averages. Here's how to get started. Come up to this button up here next to the word unnamed. What is unnamed, in fact, is your layout. Now click the down arrow and scroll down to rename and type in live price. This can be the layout you use while reading live price with whatever strategy you're using. Now you'll see that it no longer says unnamed up here, but it's been renamed to live price. Go ahead and click the arrow next to it again and scroll down to make a copy. Now name this layout backtesting and click save. If you ever want to go backtest a new asset for your strategy or maybe make an adjustment, this is your workspace. I'd even advise you to rename the backtesting layout after you do any backtesting on it so that you don't lose that data accidentally. I'm sure you can see the pattern here, but every time you want to backtest something new within your strategy, I definitely recommend making a new layout. All right, I want you to go and make one more copy, so perform the process again. You're going to name this layout Weekly Review. At the end of every week, I want you to open up this layout and go into replay mode and trade your strategy without the emotions of live price. Trading your strategy in a backtesting environment can help you confirm that you're sticking to your edge. Lastly, if you ever hit the point where you have so many layouts that you need help finding the old ones to dig up old data, scroll all the way to the bottom where it says load layout. This is also where you'll want to come if you need to delete any extra layouts you made along the way that you don't really need. You just click this X button right here.